Yeah, no. I just said I could hear you. Sounds beautiful.
I was double muted. 2022 and I'm still double muting. How are we all?
All good. Trying to figure out what I need to do.
I'll have you on another screen, Warren. I'm watching your how to add custom SVGs to version 9. That was very handy. Well, I've already done it actually, and it worked straight away, which was. So now I'm trying to work out how to get the SVG in an angular filter. So I've got a little angular filter that displays published and unpublished on blocks. So I don't know how to grab the SVG. That's my next thing. We're not live on YouTube yet, are we? Soon. Oh, very nice. I like it. We should all have Umbraco maracas. Umbracas.
Umbracas. I love that. Umbracas.
There you go. Next year's Code Garden gift.
There's still time for this year.
Oh, don't, Sebastian. I wish I was coming over there.
Oh, you're not?
I
want to
I'm
come
so
to
excited.
I want to come and have a paddleboard with you outside the. Is that where you go paddleboarding? Is it a dents?
I have no idea.
Don't you go paddleboarding? Am I getting mixed up? Or canoeing?
Oh yeah, I go canoeing. Yeah, paddleboarding is other people in the company.
Is paddleboarding the one where you stand up and canoeing is the one where you sit down, right?
Yeah. Oh, I see. So no, I'm confusing it with the game paddle, which is kind of tennis but with a ball and a stick, I guess.
Or do you call it
Paddleboarding,
supping?
yeah, sup, yeah, stand up paddle, yeah, okay, that makes more sense. But I still like my kayak better. Hey.
Hey, Paul.
Paul.
Hey, Paul.
Hey, all, you alright?
Yes.
Good.
Once again, trying to figure out how to set my font to large. Mm-hmm. 17 too big.
Is this single sign-on for back office or for members?
No, it's two-factor auth, not single sign-on.
Oh, right, okay.
And this is for back office login.
For back office.
Yeah.
How's everyone's week been so far, anyway?
Yeah, mine's been good. Been doing. I work on support side of things now, and dealing with interesting issues that come up. One was caused by deleting a big folder in the media section. Yeah.
Classic.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Yeah. Sent on a wild goose chase and eventually came to that. But yeah, that'll be the first thing I check next time.
Hmm.
Nice.
But yeah, working on 7, 8, and 9 stuff,
Nice.
and I'm doing the bridging courses as well for V9 at the moment
Hmm.
to get myself up to V9 master status.
Yeah.
Nice.
Is that
I
one of
need
the
to put
things
As if
that's
you're not.
coming up in V9? Isn't there a warning if you go to delete something that's...
Been there for weeks.
That's what I thought, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Oh, Nate.
just helped me right now. I went to delete a node, a test node, and it's like referenced here and here, and I was like, oh, okay, maybe I won't.
That's fantastic.
yeah, that's good, isn't it? No, this is an
Right.
old V7
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, that's not. Yeah, well, you can still install Nexu, I guess.
Yeah, next week from Dave.
Yeah,
What screen am I on? One?
So you
One.
ready,
Better
Seb?
text readability. Readability. That show. Yeah, that shows what I wanted to show. Sweet. Okey-doke. Right. I've been meaning to check out. I love two-factor auth. So I think when Niels asked me on the retreat 6 years ago, what would be the first thing you would do if you're the product owner of Umbraco? And I told him, oh, just add two-factor auth to the back office. Took 6 years, but it's there now, I guess. So this is coming in a 9.5, which is now in RC, and I thought I would just follow the documentation and adapt it to using my wonderful YubiKey, which is just a little dongle that does, I don't know what it does exactly, but it makes codes and verifies them, and you can only use the code once, and it's great. And the codes, if you're in the chat, look a little bit. Whenever I touch it, it does this. Oh, no, it doesn't do it. Yeah, there you go. So every time I touch it, it sends a new code with something cryptic in it. So we'll see if I can make that work. So what do we need to do? This is for members, but I wanted to do it for users. Do we not have it for users? For users, thank you. That's the one I was looking for. This one will make Google auth, but we can change that. All right, I'm just gonna start copy pasting and see what's gonna happen. So I've installed 9.5. I hope actually I should check. Oh, it's not running. I've installed 9.5 RC2. Just been out for a week and a bit now. Let's see if I don't know if I actually installed it yet. Maybe I still need to do that. Oops. Of course, now it's slow because we're screen sharing. Yeah, still need to install it. Cool. Yeah, I can do with starter kit, that's fine. Doesn't need it. Maybe I can do members as well if we're really quick. Maybe I can watch myself on YouTube on my phone.
Yeah, why not?
Cool. There we go. Don't show again. This is 9.5 RC2. Fantastic. Did you know that we have like system information here? And if you copy this and paste this into a GitHub issue, you'll get a nice table. Just a pro tip for people
This
watching.
is still one of the nice things I like that Nikolai's done.
And nobody's ever used it, which
I
is,
know, you
makes
get no bug
me so
reports.
sad. But it look how nice it looks if you just paste that.
Look at that.
Anyway, sorry, distraction. Cool. 9.5 is installed, and we can start adding some two-factor. So make a folder for this. What do we have folders here? Factory. Two-factor. Put everything in there. So the first thing it wanted us to do, oh, I need to tweet that we're live, is make a data contract and a provider.
Can we literally just copy paste the entire code from that snippet?
Yeah, exactly. Umbraco user YubiKey authenticator. Of course, I need to rename everything now. Yeah, did I not copy paste it? Maybe I did.
I don't know.
Revert it. I want this one as well. Yes. And this one. There we go. I don't want Google Authenticator, so we'll take that one off. Okay, so what do we have? We have two-factor auth info. So this is where our QR code would normally show up, but we don't need that for this provider. We only need the secret. So that's whenever I press that button, it starts sending in our secret, just like this. Secret. Oh, I'm deleting instead of close it. Yo. Okay, so what are we doing? Get a name. Getting a user service. Do something with a provider name. Okay. Then we get setup data. Returns the required data to set up this specific provider. Okay. In this case, hey Carl, it will contain the URL.
No problem.
URL. We can fix the comments later. Let's focus on the code instead. This would be my YubiKey authenticator. And this is what we'll need to fix.
Yeah, I was going to say, I don't know
in
if
a
we
minute.
necessarily need that, because obviously that's
Yeah.
Google 2FA
Yeah.
specific, so that was
Yeah.
like the name of the application that would show up
Yeah.
in like Authy or whatever two-factor app you use.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, I see. This is to generate the QR code.
Yep.
Yeah, get set up there. Okay, well, we might not need this at all then. Yeah,
Maybe
that's
not.
true.
But
But it might fail the interface. I'm not sure.
You
Yeah,
never know.
well, yeah, I can just do return nothing. Oh. Just an empty object. Is that not allowed? No. Maybe. Not happy about it, but that's fine. Possible null assignment, yes. Cool. Validate. We'll have to build something for YubiKey in a minute. Turn through now. And we have validate two-factor PIN secret token. Sure,
So
we'll
that's-
see.
So that's a different method if you need to validate the setup. So once you've set up your YubiKey, maybe it returns a different initial pin when you do the kind of handshake. I don't know.
Yeah, we don't
obviously-
actually have a pin. So what it does, it should go to the YubiKey web service and verify the code there, I think. We'll see how far we get with
Nice.
whatever we're getting right now. Let's see. So, we did that first. Create a model with the information required to set up the 2FA provider. Sure, now we need to register the Umbraco user app authenticator, or at least the one that I have, in order for it to show up. Okay. Cool. It will be a composer. YubiKey composer. Oh, what is happening here? That's not what I wanted. What did I do? YubiKey composer. Cool. And something like this. Not YouTube. YubiKey composer. Yes. namespace. Then we have this one. Also needs to live in the correct namespace, by the way. So we'll say add two-factor provider, which is this, and it has a name. It also has the login view options, which gives it the same name. Okay, cool. Okay, we need to do something in app plugins, and we will make two-factor provider YubiKey here. Yeah, so I'm guessing next I'm adding an HTML file. Haha, yes. Cool. That will be in app plugins two-factor providers. Where's my app plugins? Oh, I need to make one. Okay.
So it could have been any view path that you wanted to set. So it didn't have to be convention two-factor providers. It could have been Seb's awesome YubiKey package.
Yeah. Look, and this is the file name. HTML. Yes. Lovely. I don't want any of this. Go away. But I want this. Okay, what's going on here? Custom code two-factor provider. YubiKey. SVM. We're doing a validate and save or something. Setup information. Okay, this is where that image URL would have been put. I don't know how we're going to validate that yet, but we're not going to use an image URL, so I think I'm just going to delete that. Scan with your authenticator and then enter the code. So just enter the code. Should be enough. It'll be not numeric in this case, because it'll be alphanumeric. Is that a thing? Alphanumeric here? I don't know what input mode.
In terms of input mode, that brings up the different type of keyboards.
Oh, yeah, okay.
As far as I remember. Dean, you're probably the one would know, maybe?
I thought it was an Angular thing. Okay, never mind. Cool. This is full width, extra large, name token, one-time code. Sure. Why not? If there's an error, I do invalid. We say invalid code, entered, okay, and then we have something to close the window, I guess. See how that looks in a minute. I'm sure I need some JavaScript next. There we go. Oh, a package manifest with JavaScript. Just a text file. Do we have that? Just a file. There we go. Package.manifest. Yes. Controller. Okay. We can make one of those. JavaScript. Cool. And then whatever this is. All right. We're doing a strict thing. This one is the YubiKey two-factor provider controller. It needs a two-factor login resource and a notification service and a scope, of course. Set up YubiKey on the username. So that's the username from which were logged into Umbraco. I'll have a provider name. This one is not available. We will need a secret. Maybe we won't even need a secret. We just get the code. We'll leave the secret for now. That I didn't save. Init. Two-factor login resource. Setup info. Get it from the provider name. Yes. The response is the model I defined to be returned from two-factor provider get. Okay, so that's the one that we have here.
So you could put in some other random properties that you need.
Yeah. So where was it? The one I just gave a null. Yeah, setup. Get setup data.
Is your model. So
Oh, that one.
yeah, that's where you removed the
Yeah.
QR image URL.
Yeah.
But if
Yeah,
you
and I
had
probably
other stuff
don't
that you need to
secret
put
it.
in there, I don't know, YubiKey,
Yeah.
something specific.
Yeah, I don't think so, but we'll figure that one out in a minute when we actually add the YubiKey functionality. Where's my JavaScript? But this one was coming from get setup data async, so that was the model that I returned there, which is now a null at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
But let's see. Here we go. Validate and save. So after we've validated that we've gotten a correct token, we save the whole thing on the user. Vector auth has been successfully enabled or not. Error. Okay, that makes sense. YubiKey. I'm just gonna make sure that I did that correctly here. Else it will never connect. Yeah, that was correct. And this one we changed to YubiKey. There we go. Okay, so that's the module that will run and it will start doing stuff. Yes. That's good. At this point, 2FA is actually active, but no users have set up 2FA yet. Ooh. Each user will now be able to enable the configured 2FA providers on the user. Okay. Not really, because I haven't added the functionality, but we could actually use
So say, can we see, is there anything wired up now in the UI?
That's what it says.
Nice, let's give it a go.
Loading. It's been a few years. I've completely forgotten what I need to do with the YubiKey, but at least there's something here, and there's probably going to be some JavaScript errors, so I don't have all the things. You just enable. Okay. Okay. There you go. I'm missing stuff here, which is fine.
Could not fetch login info.
Yeah, that's the get setup data.
Okay,
That's
yeah, so
currently
that
empty, so that's fine.
model.
Yeah. So the way that Google Authenticator works is that we have a secret that we store locally, and an authenticator uses that secret to generate a new code every 30 seconds. But we don't have a secret for YubiKey, so we should actually also remove that secret property there. We don't need to store anything.
So how does the security flow work then? Is it you push that physical key, it generates a random key string or whatever, and then that sends it off to YubiKey? So
I think it just sends it off to YubiKey. Yeah, exactly.
Okay. So they're just going to give you an okay or not.
Yeah. So you need an SDK, and this is a NuGet one. There you go. Just need to install this package and see how it goes. Running this one. That should work. And then after I install it, oh, they didn't tell me what to do with it. Oh, documentation here. So, what is the documentation? This one? The user manual, concepts, API documentation. Okay. Do we not have a sample? Read more about OTP. No. You know what? I think I might still have some code laying around somewhere. We'll steal it.
Yeah.
YubiKey. What was it called? YubiKey. Okay. And if I do this in only star.config files, then I'll find it in a NuGet config somewhere. Oh no, csproj. Searching. Oh, I have too much code. search 0 of 0.
Mm-hmm.
Do I have it
So
here?
there's
Oh, here, there we go.
Oh, I was just about to say, is there no docs on their README or their GitHub?
Yeah, I didn't like the docs for the SDK didn't really make much clear.
Fair enough.
Okay, thank you. Or maybe this is more. No, .NET getting started. That's going to Microsoft. It's all right. I've got something here that looks like it might be usable. Should I just open this whole project? There we go. Fantastic. Loading solution. That's this one was for V8.
Okay, so an old proof of concept.
Yeah, exactly. Should have just opened it on GitHub. Taking forever.
.NET framework, maybe?
Yeah. And screen sharing at the same time.
Yeah.
Oh, not Hangfire. And I go to all. Oh, here. Funny thing is that Danish people say "Yubi" a lot, which just means woohoo. Cool. Let's see what's going on in this controller. This one is asking if it's enabled, and this is doing something with the setup code. So what we need is a... Okay, so we do have a secret key that we need to put in somewhere. Perfect, so I shouldn't have removed that key. And then I need to generate a setup code. No, this is for Google. Oh, hang on, I have multiples in here. Where is YubiKey? This is YubiKey provider name, that's for validate and save. Validate Google auth. Where is my YubiKey code? If Google. Interesting. No code. Okay.
So the validate and save method, go back.
Yeah, but that was only for
So new app service. You
all.
then get the code that has obviously been inputted.
Yeah.
You then call validate on it, and then that must do a post or whatever, and then you get an OK or not.
All right, let's see if this still works. That looks easy. And where do I put it? That's the next question. So there was a validate two-factor PIN. That was here. They've changed it. YubiKey. Did I not install the package? Maybe.
No, you have, but it looks like they've changed things.
Maybe I need to build first before it's available. Or not. No, usually that works. Let's see my NuGet. Yeah, it's installed. Oh. Go back. It's installed from NuGet. Okay. It's very confused at the moment. No highlighting.
Start typing out the full namespace or something just to give you a bit of help, just to see what is around. So YubiKey. Response.
Ooh, these are cool things, by the way.
Firmware.
I don't need
device. Response.
Maybe I need .core. Nope. So what I'm doing is validate. So if that is anywhere, it would be in key dot response.
That's going to be in like the response of the request, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, maybe there's more.
Oh, is there different types? Yeah. So is it
Oh,
different flows? Like there's...
yes, it's FIDO2. No. Okay, let's see if they have some information on their GitHub. If they have a GitHub. No.
What if you click license info? Sometimes that normally takes you to
Oh yeah.
an MIT. Nope.
Nope. Interesting. Okay. YubiKey. C# example of what was I doing? Validate. And I want something from the last year, I guess. Web auth and or I could just install the old version of YubiKey. I don't know what it's doing.
Try their docs. I'm curious. Surely they've got something. I would be surprised that
Yeah,
they don't have anything.
No validate here. I don't want to know about all of the crypto. That's the problem, I guess.
Yeah. Is it because you've got to choose a type of crypto? And I don't know enough about this stuff.
No, me neither.
OTP, isn't that like one-time passcode?
Yeah, that's the one we want. Concepts.
How to guides.
How to program. Swap slots. Commands. No, I don't know what any of this is. Post more. Okay. Well, I clearly need to read up on.
What's under the getting started? What's under the getting started?
YubiKey had installed. What's new?
What's new?
Yeah.
Or overview.
Minimal YubiKey. Where the concepts. Yeah. And APIs. Yeah, maybe generate key pairs. Oh boy. I wanted to do the simple thing.
YubiKey
I
device.
will have a look at what is installed here in versions for YubiKey and just take that version instead. Is it installed? .NET client. Maybe I need that one. I don't need the whole SDK. That's the problem. Okay, that's it. Here and say YubiKey and .NET polyfills, .NET client. That's the one. Yep, that's fine. I don't need this one anymore. I can remove it. Too much. I don't need to go into all the crypto. Thank you very much. All right, maybe better now. Not yet. Is it been installed? Yes. Okay.
Can you go to definition or in your example project just to find out what NuGet package or namespace it's come from?
Yeah, but I have a YubiKey client here, so maybe this is it. But good point. That was in the controller, right? Or middleware. No. Validate. Oh yeah.
So there you go. You new app a service.
Yeah.
But
which is that's why. Okay. Yes. That was my own service. That's why. All right.
Okay.
So I need a client with a client ID and a secret ID. There we go. So I need the client ID and a secret key. Okay. I will steal this one from an invisible screen. So that's probably some stuff I don't want to share with you all. ID and a secret. And the secret I will keep secret somehow. I can put it in a region for a second. Drop. Public string. This. 2 seconds, I'll share my screen in a second again. And I needed a, what did I say? Secret and a client ID, okay. Client ID.
So whilst you're just thinking and doing stuff, Seb, so the physical YubiKey is a good alternative because the two-factor is a physical thing. Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, so
it's something you gotta have.
Yeah, it's something I have indeed.
Yeah,
and that's not.
What is it? Why? How does it work with your keyboard then? What is it? Something on your keyboard?
Yeah, so it's basically just a USB dongle at the moment, and it's pretending to be a keyboard. It's typing for me.
Oh, I see. So you've got it plugged into your PC, and you just press a button.
Exactly. Yeah.
Is it the one that's got like a fingerprint thing in it?
Yeah. So I have, this one is super tiny, so it's only sticking out about 3 millimeters out of my laptop. Because that's just touch enabled. It doesn't do fingerprint. It just when you touch it, it just connects the circuit, or it has a certain resistance or whatever, and it starts typing a new key. And it's got a clock on it so that it knows how to time a new key every time. I think that's kind of how it works. Okay, so from the other solution, we saw we need a YubiKey client, and with that client we're going to. Sorry?
Yeah, now you've newed up your client. What can you do on the client? So you've obviously called it YubiKey service.
Yeah. Just looking for the code that I've now lost in the other YubiKey client. Client. Yeah. So what do we do next? We do client. Oh, that was easy. Client verify token, and then if response status is okay, we say everything is good. Look. Something like this. So this would be client. Oh. And it doesn't have verify anymore. Verify async. That's fine. Some kind of token.
So that's going to be the secret in this case? Or is that going to be the
code?
No,
that's going to be the code, yeah. I don't think we need a secret, but that might break it again.
Is that going to break the interface?
Oh well, secret will be empty. Yes. Oh, is that not allowed either? Oh yeah, that's fine. But I'm going to get them in the wrong order. Never mind. Fine. We're not using the secret anyway, that secret at least. So the code will verify. Okay. I'm not going to bother with async for now.
Fair enough.
Oh, is that not allowed? Oh, I need to remove the await then. There you go. Okay. So then I return true, otherwise false. Okay. Seems like we're getting close. I'm just worried about that other method that's not doing anything here right now. So, user or member key and a secret. I'm not too sure what to do with this one.
It returns the required data to set up. So you're still going to have to put in the first YubiKey code. So like you're going to have to do it like the first time. to verify
So that's
it.
before. So where I saw the error was here. It's now gone, but it was just here saying there's an error when we clicked enable. So it's getting data from the CMS. Maybe an empty string will be enough. Or what did it used to return according to documentation? Let's see. You can just fake it. It returns a object with stuff. Okay. We can do an object with nothing in it. That's fine.
Yeah, just new up a anonymous object.
Yeah.
It returns nothing.
Also null. I'm afraid it's a bit scared of those nulls. Just do hello world. That's not happy about it either, is it? It was expected. Okay. None. Should that be enough? New. No, what did it do in the documentation? It did a nice, yeah, new that. None. Hack it until it works. Now what? Yeah, no, okay. It doesn't have a CTOR, I guess. Is that the problem? No. Why does it work in the docs and not for me?
Just, I don't know, make up a property on something, I don't know, just on your class, just, I don't know, create a
Oh, I'm
single
doing
prop.
it wrong, I see. Hang on. I think this is enough. There you go. Yay! It's I wasn't doing return task from result. Okay, let's try it out. So we should be able to verify that it was correct.
Mm-hmm.
And then we save on the user that we have enabled two-factor.
Do you want to set up some breakpoints? Maybe.
Nah.
Live dangerously.
Sure. That works for me. Let's then debug instead. Or I could have attached the debugger. Never mind. Cool. Go back to this one. Yes, I know. Server was down. We're not stuck, are we? No. Oh, we're good. Okey-doke.
I hear 9.5 is the last minor.
It is the last minor. Next up will be V10.
Nice one.
Yes. There we go. Configure. Enable. Hey. And now I should hit the breakpoint. So now I'm going to touch my computer for a second. And... oh, I didn't hide it, but that's fine. And did it... it didn't hit the breakpoint. Oh, it did.
Yes, it did.
Ah. Nice. Let me just get rid of this one first. Okie doke. So...
obviously jump over that.
Yeah, I'm showing my secrets. Oh, that's fine. I'm gonna reset it later.
We'll revoke.
This is the code. The result says validation. It says okay, and I can check if it actually is okay. I can do a false one, a fake one, of course. No,
can you
I
just
didn't
type
like
in
that one.
any random thing in?
Yeah, exactly. So I can still say this one says definitely not successful. That's good.
Good.
But the valid code should have worked, but maybe it only worked for a few
is that
seconds.
client-side validation? So that might be just
yeah.
Angular stuff. Expecting like a numeric code.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right. That could be it. Yeah. Okay.
Because obviously
That's a good...
Google
yeah, it looks
and
like
two-factor
client
auth is
side.
expecting
Yeah.
normally a 6-digit number.
Yes, it says autocomplete. It's just an input.
Yeah,
So
but
it doesn't
why
seem to have...
validation is weird-ish in back office
Yeah,
and how it wires up.
true. But this one is actually coming from actual validation. You see that? That's an ng message. So it is actually doing something with an invalid code. So okay, we need to check the front end code and see what's happening there. So what's happening would be in the controller, I would say validate and save.
Do some console login in this function to see what is coming back.
It says then if successful else. Okay.
Because
yeah, should I just
it's
log
setting that validity. I can never say it. On that token in that else.
Yeah.
And then if it's doing an error, it doesn't change that, so it wouldn't have changed the validation. So
yeah. Maybe catch function error and see what's going on.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a notification service, so we already get stuff.
You should
there,
get something else. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe we can log this as well. See what's being put in. Oh, maybe it's because it's trying to do something with the secret. Let's see what happens when we log all kinds of stuff. Cool. I don't know how well this will reload. Is client cache or not? This one. Then we had a breakpoint. I can remove that one for now.
Yep. Now that you know that it definitely verifies with the server.
Yeah. So, it says false. Comes back. That's not right.
So check the network response in Chrome or DevTools.
Oh, yeah.
Like, what is the response coming back from the...
Yeah. And that will be validate. Last one. Preview. False. That's not right.
It's an empty object as well that's coming back, isn't it? Because that's the Angular.
But this is the security for Angular
thing.
But this is what's actually being returned. But I don't think I'm returning true, right?
Yeah.
If the status is okay, do it again. Let's do it again. I set a new breakpoint. And it says return true.
Yeah, so can you just...
And then F10.
Keep stepping, and obviously step out and up.
Yeah. 10. No, now it's going into something else.
Source code of Umbraco.
Okay, I see. Okay, let's see if it's valid. That should have... it doesn't like it. If it is false, return false, else confirm true. Okay. New filter. Yeah, okay.
Confirmed.
Is it because it's already accidentally that's the problem. Okay.
So that's the exception.
So
could not log in with the provided one-time password.
Yeah, so it's probably...
Cannot insert the value null into column secret.
Okay. I need to give it a secret.
Okay.
Which is not really a secret. I'm just going to return a string or something. Okay, cool. Where are we? Hang on. This is not my code. We need to go back to validate. So secret, I need to set something for that. String secret. So I can just fake it, right? Where does it get set previously? Validate to factor pin. So this was the original code. I'm not sure where secret is. Makes no sense. That's not going to be saved, is it? String secret is being input here.
So is it that get setup data?
Yeah, maybe. Oh yeah, because it's getting that one. Okay, so I'll add a secret property on none. Fine. String secret. Oh. secret. Yes, and set it to 9. Oh. Come on, keyboard. Secret. Is secret. Cool. So I don't have to do anything here. This can go. Yeah, it's probably passing on this setup data. Yeah, good point. Let's try. I still have return true. Oh, this will take a minute. Again. For the breakpoint to kick in. Oh, that was quick. Okay, F10, F10, F10. Now happy. Secret is still null. Why did that come from? Let me just check if it's not.
Is he going to still throw an exception?
Yeah. Okay. And so secret is still null. Okey-doke. Oh, it's because I, okay. Yeah, I didn't reopen this panel, of course, so I didn't re-get the data. That's all fine. Let's do a good refresh. And make sure that we don't have browser cache laying around. Okay.
So you should
So
get a
it
network
should do
request
here.
as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Next one.
That's what I was looking for. So git user. No, next one. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. So this one should get the secret somewhere. No. Secret. Yay! Fake it till you make it.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Let's try that again. How we go? Secret is currently still null.
What?
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the documentation or the example, and
exactly.
then let's kind of figure out what's wrong.
Yeah. So here we have a class with a data contract. Is that a thing? Maybe is that the problem? That
So
could be it.
serializing.
Yeah, it's probably not easy. Oh. Okey-doke.
And yeah, is the JavaScript expecting secret to be lowercase?
Yeah. Probably.
For JSON.
We can try. Apply. Does that work when I do? Oh yeah, that seems to work. Cool. Let's try that. So that was a hot reload. Oh. We better get this done soon. 12 minutes left.
Doable. We're close. Feels painfully close.
Yeah, it does, but no secret still being passed on. Okay. That's
if you
not
hardcode the word secret in at that point,
Yeah.
does it work?
This is Umbraco source code, so I can't change it here.
Oh, it's debugging the Umbraco source.
Yeah. So maybe I can do it here. Is that what goes to Umbraco source code? No, I don't know. Oh no, it goes to this one. Okay. I don't know when it ends up in Umbraco.
Oh wait a minute, go down.
Yeah.
You see, you're sending through the underscore secret. You're not sending through the passed in secret.
This is only for my YubiKey client. So this is only to validate that my secret codes are correct. And I'm not doing anything with the secret here. You're right. So let's check docs. But that one only does validate two-factor PIN, which would be. Is that what it is? Is that the problem? I need to do this with code.
Maybe.
Why did it do it before? Oh, this is a return. Okay. Where do we have this? Somewhere else on the page? No, this is returning
So the
itself.
two-factor authenticator, I think, isn't that the Google class?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, exactly. So this is just returning true or false. So it's not doing anything.
Yeah.
Interesting. That's not doing anything. That's not doing anything. this might be doing something. Validate. If successful, do something success set validity. There's no secrets in here. Oh yeah, here there is a secret in here.
It's coming
I
from the
need to do
response.
some more logging. Hang on.
Yeah, so
Oh, I
when you do
removed
that,
this, didn't I?
So when you do that setup info, just make sure
Yeah.
it's assigning it there.
I think I removed some of that. That's might be. So VM secret is there. That's good.
Yeah, what
And
about
then
it's in there still in that then on line 23, 24
Yeah.
maybe. But just put in some login.
Oh yeah. Setup info. Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's see if it actually gets that one here.
Yeah, or you should have been able to see the network request, but
Yeah. Otherwise, catch could not fetch. That would have been a notification, so we would have seen that. So let's see if that helped, or at least log something on setup info. Harder than I thought it would be. We're close. Undefined. Yeah, that's
okay.
secret,
So
right?
what about the response? So log the response object, or whatever's
Oh yeah.
as opposed to the property.
Good point. It doesn't matter. Yes.
So you need to log response on a new line as it's an object.
I do. It did comma. It will.
Oh,
Yeah,
right. Oh
do
yeah,
it.
cool.
Yeah. Oh, it did say. Hang on. It's a response secret.
Capital S. So that
No.
data contract and that hot reload is not working.
It didn't work. Okay. Okay. Let's kill it and see if it actually works. Thank you. Why it's good to do these things in public. I would have never found that for another hour.
No worries.
Yes, loading. Again, configure, enable. Beautiful, that was it. Thank you, Warren.
No worries.
No.
Does it actually give us a true
Yeah.
and not throw an exception? So when it gets down to save async.
Yeah, let's see if it does it. Hey!
Yay!
Now it's true. Hey!
So it's enabled
Cool.
on your user.
Now what?
Now log out
Log out.
and see if you can log in.
I'm never gonna get back in, am I?
Have you got the view for this bit? Oh,
Oh, wow, that's automatic apparently.
amazing.
Go on then.
Aha! Oh, gosh.
It returned true.
Hey!
Yay.
Wow.
Nice.
7 minutes to spare.
And now
That's
do it with
really
a dodgy. Do it with a dodgy key.
Yeah,
Oh,
just
yeah.
type any old random thing in.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah.
How you manage to complete these things dead within an hour every week?
I don't know either.
Fluke.
Yes. Oh, it's not happy with that, which is good. Invalid
Yeah.
code entered.
Yeah.
Yes.
Fantastic.
That's amazing. Oh, I did something wrong here. This is a D now. No, it's gonna be stuck. Yeah. 5. Reload. Or are you completely stuck here now? Yeah, okay. Just run without debugging.
Yeah.
Let's see. Cool, but yes, that was a surprisingly minimal amount of code.
Yeah, wasn't
That
too
is
bad, was
really
it?
good. There's a bit of C#. I need to. So the only thing is that, of course, the secret thing doesn't really count for this provider.
Because you don't use that secret again, do you? Really? It's like with the two-factor
exactly.
auth, we store that secret, and then
when
you
you
use that
retrieve
secret.
it each time.
Yep.
Yeah. So what we can. Well, we might still need it. So I've still got these secrets for client ID and
Yes.
secret hard-coded.
So
and I
you'd
think
probably
that's
want to put
per-
that in config somewhere.
Yeah. I think that's per YubiKey. So I might need
Per
to.
YubiKey.
No, that can't be right. No, this
Sure.
is an API key. No, so that doesn't matter. No, I also changed YubiKey since I generated these, so that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I
don't
don't know.
forget to reset your secret that you
Yeah,
exposed on
exactly,
video.
Yeah, that's no problem. You first need to steal my YubiKey. That's the beauty of this as well. Good that.
I'll see you at Code Garden.
Beautiful. Yeah, exactly. I will take it out of my laptop.
So we can log into localhost 44383 to no content.
Cool. And now.
So can you
if I
disable it
configure-
now?
Oh, disable. Okay, cool.
So
And I need to
for
verify.
you
Oh,
to,
this is
for
really
you to
good.
disable it, you've got to verify.
Really good.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's
Can you-
great.
Can you set up multiple providers and the user can choose which
Yeah.
provider?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing.
So you could add
So this
Google
one's
as well, or
YubiKey. Yeah.
GitHub, or
And now I'm wondering. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. I'm making it hard for myself. I'm wondering if in the user section I can change it.
I thought you turned it off. How come you had to use
Yeah, I
it?
turned it back on.
Oh, okay.
I'm really quick. Hey, so I can configure it for other people. So you can actually go in as an admin and say I want to disable this for someone else, which is really nice.
But you need
but
their
you won't,
key.
yeah, I was going to say, won't you need their physical key?
Ah, yeah, looks like it.
If
Ah,
I'm me
that's
or
a
whatever.
good question. That's
What
a good
about if you created another user
Yeah.
and then
Oh, yeah.
you tried to do it? Because this is you, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you were using single sign-on, that would come with its own MFA anyway. So
Yeah,
you
so if
wouldn't
you're
need to use this.
using Google or any other service, obviously their MFA or two-factor auth would be
Will
with
kick in
them.
it. That's what I'm
with
saying.
them.
If you're using Azure
Yep.
AD
Yeah, this
as a
is
single
for
sign-on,
just...
you wouldn't need to use this, would you?
No, it would be double kind of
It would
multi-factor.
conflict,
Would
probably,
kind of
yeah.
get annoying if you like MFA or authenticate with Google or whoever, and then come to the Umbraco site and be asked to again. That might be kind of annoying.
Oh, what's that?
Ooh, error. That's amazing.
Get application trees.
That was a good. That might be a bug in 9.5. Okay, I'll look into that one.
I
so
love
now
these sessions.
Yeah. So I'm an editor. I can enable my thingy. It should just work. Cool. Close. Oh yeah, I can log out. And then press my admin. Now, of course, I can cheat because I have the exact same key, so I could still disable it for this user.
Yeah.
So it
Hey,
knows.
come
It
on.
actually knows. That is really good.
So yeah,
Does it work? That's really good.
They've thought of everything.
Yeah. I kind of thought we would have, but oh. So now, this is the wrong password. I don't know what the other password is. Yeah.
Apparently, if you use example.com,
Mm-hmm.
it doesn't receive emails to it. If you see what I mean.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I've just gotten used to using Tesla.com everywhere, which is now in my password vault, so it will be too much trouble to change it everywhere. All my local host sites are gonna change.
Yeah, I think I'm admin at admin.com.
Yeah, exactly.
Same problem.
Yeah, indeed. Cool. Well, look at that, on the dot.
Amazing.
Very good. Thank you all for joining.
Well done.
Well done, Seb.
Yeah. See you next week.
See you next week.
Maybe.
Now we've all got to learn what a YubiKey is. Still have no idea.
Was it I can show you. I have spares. Because you really want to have spares if you're protecting. If this is your only protection for LastPass and stuff. So there's one here. So this was this USB, and once you press it here, it short circuits and it outputs one of those codes. There's a USB-C one here as well, which has a little copper on it, if you can see that.
Yeah.
And just pressing that copper works. But I needed all my USB-C ports on this laptop, so I couldn't use that one. and then the other spare is a this one is an NFC one as well, so I can tap this to my phone if I really needed to get in somewhere.
Nice.
So yeah, very fancy technology. Cool.
Right. See you all
Right.
later then.
Good seeing you all.
Good to see
Bye.
you. Bye.
Yo,
Bye.
bye.
Bye.